Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the evaporator fan motor in a KitchenAid refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 4-inch nut driver and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new evaporator fan motor. The evaporator fan motor is located in the freezer section behind the cover panel. It distributes cold air throughout the refrigerator cabinet. If the fresh food section is not cold at all and the freezer is not cold enough, check if the evaporator fan motor is running and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. Well, we need to remove all the shelves and the drawers. So we're going to start from the top, lift it up, and slide it out. Up and out. Now I'm going to remove the drawers and the shelves. Slide out, lift up, pull away, lift up, and slide away. And the bottom one. To get to the part, we need to remove these two rear access panels. We're going to start with the top one. Now I'm going to remove this plastic cover. I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to insert it right there, pry it off. You may want to hold it because it may fall off. All right. Next, we need to take out that 4-inch screw right there in the upper left corner. I'm going to use the 4-inch nut driver. And we're going to take it out. So let's remove this upper rear cover. I'm going to grab it here in the corner and pull it out. And then pull it up. Now we can remove this bottom access panel. There's 4 4-inch screws, 2 on the top, 2 at the bottom. I'm using a 4-inch nut driver. Going to take them out. And I'm going to pull out this panel. Next, I'm going to disconnect this motor plug. Turn it around, and there's right there the tab. Push it in. Next, I'm going to slide out this motor bracket with the motor. And we're going to take it to the table so we can disassemble it. All right, so we're going to put it down on the table. And then I'm going to use the same flat blade screwdriver we used before. I'm going to pry off this blade off the motor shaft. I'm going to put it aside. And now I'm going to squeeze this bracket and release the motor. And push it down and squeeze in. And take the motor out. And this grommet comes off. Put it aside. And this is our old motor. This is the old evaporator fan motor next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Okay, we're going to install the grommets here on the front. Push it on. Then place on that the bracket. Again, the grommet goes on. And we're going to install the motor squeeze in the sides, press it down, and let it lock. Now I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to install the blade. Make sure it's free. And we're going to install it into the fridge. Okay, we're going to slide this motor and bracket assembly into these openings here. Push it in all the way. And I'm going to connect the plug. Make sure it clicks. That means it's locked. Alright, now we're going to install the cover panel. I'm going to clip on that panel. Alright, so we're going to secure the lower access panel with the 4 screws. We're going to start with the top ones. I'm going to use the 1/4-inch nut driver. Alright, so now we're going to install this upper rear panel. And I would like to show you a couple of points here how it's going to interlock there. We see here grooves at the bottom, and they are going to lock over that edge on the top of the lower panel. And the clips here at the back are going to be locking over these 2 sides here. So let's proceed. We're going to start with placing the bottom in first. Alright, so we're going to place it in. I'm going to slide this over that edge here on the top. Push it down and I'm going to press it in. And push it in so the 2 clips will lock. And now I'm going to secure the panel with this 1/4-inch screw right there in the upper left corner. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, we're going to tighten the screw. And I'm going to install this cover back. I'm going to slide the right side in and push the left side in. And now I'm going to install the shelves and the drawers. I'm going to go from bottom up. Slide it in. Then I'm going to slide the drawer in. Place it onto the rails. And the next one. And the drawer. And let's place the rest of the shelves in. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.